Are you ready? You ready to go for a ride with me?
Yes. Yes. I don't know. I'm so scared. Like, I hate motorbikes and motorcycles. I hate all this crap.
Let's do it.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Phone with a Vlog. In this episode, we continue exploring Vietnam's Ninh Binh and head to Trang An, riding a motorcycle for the very first time ever with no license or insurance, because that's how they roll in Southeast Asia.
Are you feeling it now?
Yeah, it takes a little getting used to it.
Are we gonna die today?
No, absolutely not. We
Right.
need to try turning.
Oh, so you haven't tried turning yet?
No.
Okay.
Good start.
Good start.
So it's my first day on a motorbike, a moped. Let's not lie to ourselves. And I'm really scared. And so is Alina, I feel.
I believe in you. I'm not scared.
But
We're
I
gonna
believe
be
in you.
Good.
I believe in you. But you'll get an update from Trang An if we made it there.
On our way to Trang An to go on a boat ride. Getting there is extremely stressful. Okay guys, so in case no one heard a word of what I said on the motorbike,
We made it!
we made it to Trang An and we're alive, and Polita did so well. I'm so proud of her. Our butts really hurt, but now we have a really calming 3-hour boat ride. Yeah, let's go. We just went up to the information lady and asked her which of the 3 routes to take. She told us she prefers route number 3, so we just went with that because she promised it was going to be the most exciting, going through the longest cave that has like stalactites and stuff. So we thought that'd be more fun as well.
Alina's taking us on a boat ride
I'm
today.
really not hating this. 5 minutes into the ride and we're going into a cave. Hang Duck Cave.
Hangman's cave.
Oh snap. We're gonna have to remove our hats. Selena and Polita coming to you straight from the underground. The stalactites and the cave is so low that we need to duck our heads every time the lady goes kui kui. Kui 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 kui. Kui 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 kui. Kui 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 kui. She's awesome. She's like drifting on this boat. Once you're inside, the senses start overtaking. The darkness and stone press on you from all sides, and every word that you say seems to hang in the air. It honestly felt like we were trespassing on a secret that nature wanted to keep for itself. And most of the ride, we tried to keep silent, until we saw what was waiting for us on the other side. The tranquil, almost still atmosphere makes it seem as though time has just stopped in this place.
look so peaceful. And then
Those guys are...
yeah.
I'm like meditating. This place is so great and calming. I just want to take a nap.
Same. So it's been an hour and a half.
This pleasure cruise is turning into a torture ride. Because it's too damn hot in this country.
I wasn't prepared to be rowing when I came to this boat.
Well, you know what they say. Work hard, play hard. 2,000? Oh, 2,000 times. Oh, you've rowed in the boat 2,000 times. She's rowed this boat 2,000 times. But she rows once a day. Rows it for 15 kilometers. 15. That's so much.
200 chuyến 200. Trang An có đẹp không? Trang An.
Trang An. I'm not sure what she's saying. Trang An. I really want to understand.
Will you come back to Trang An?
Will you come back to Trang An?
I think if somebody's traveling with me and they really want to see it, I'll take them back.
We just finished our boat ride in Trang An, which took us 3 hours. We really enjoyed it, although the first hour and a half were much more enjoyable because after we were sitting in blazing sun. We would suggest going earlier in the day, like morning time. Also guys, bring hats.
Thanks for watching FOMO the vlog. Like, subscribe, let us know what you think in the comment section below, and join us on our next adventure.